Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we are here to say that, Mr. Speaker, when a government goes down to this level, Mr. Speaker, that government should resign. It has no business being in office, Mr. Speaker. We can't let our children be harassed the way they are being harassed today, Mr. Speaker. And actually, I'm ashamed of my colleagues. I'm ashamed of my colleagues who think that, Mr. Speaker, they can stand here and defend a government that is harassing our own children, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, out my time.
It's a point of
Out
order.
my time.
Mr. Speaker, I rise by understanding order 105 on accuracy of facts and stem of fact. Mr. Speaker, can the deputy minority leader table evidence that the police have used live bullets to harass the children, Mr. Speaker? We cannot allow our young children to be part of contestation. In fact, Article 53 of the Constitution 2010 is we need to protect children from people who want to take them to political contest, Mr. Speaker. So can we, in fact, Article 53 says we must protect children from being used to fight political wars like what Senator Wambua is doing, Mr. Speaker. Is it in order, can he table the facts, Mr. Speaker, to show where the police have used live bullet and to show where the police have tear gas the children, Mr. Speaker? Can the deputy minority leader be table the facts as part standing under 105 on statement of fact? This is not a political rally where you are just saying one, Mr. Speaker. Article 53 of the Constitution protect our children. Don't allow him to drag our children through the mud of political contest.
Senator, can you conclude your comments?
Mr. Speaker, in fact, the shame should go to Senator Cherargei. Mr. Speaker, the strength of my statement is based on the same news that you watched last night. Live broadcast, the Speaker, from a reporter on the ground in school, showing the world a live bullet that had been fired where these children were rehearsing. Mr. Speaker, our children have been harassed by the police since last night, Mr. Speaker. And we are calling on this government, Mr. Speaker, if it cannot protect our children, this government should resign. That's what we are saying, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.
We are saying, Mr. Speaker, if you cannot protect our children, resign. You have no business being in office.
Thank you. Thank you. Senator Mudigi.
Asante Bwana Spika kwa kunipa ruhusa niweze kuchangia mjadala ambaye inaletwa na Senator Akitui kuchangia. Anakuja kuoppose. Ningetaka kupinga Bwana Spika, nyumba hii ya Senate ni nyumba ambaye iko na njia mpangilio. Ningeomba Bwana Spika.
Senator Mundigi. Have your seat. Just sit down. Order, senators. Order, senators. Order, senators. Order. Order, Senator Wambua. Senator Wambua. Senator Wambua, please. Be respectful to your colleagues. Please. Yes. Order, senators. Order. Order, senators. Order, senators. Just find your way to your seats. Order, senators. Senator Cherargei. Senator Cherargei, just order. Senator Cherargei, are you the one managing this house? Why are you making noise? You risk going out right now. You cannot direct me on what to do. You cannot. Oh, you are cool. Honorable Senators, I have the Head's communication to make. This is a message from His Excellency the President on the nominees for appointment to the board of the Central Bank of Kenya. Have your seat to the nearest seat. Just nearest is, you have eyes, Senator Sheikh. Honorable Senators, I have a message to communicate from His Excellency the President regarding nominees for appointment as members of the board of the Central Bank of Kenya. The message was received pursuant to Standing Order 47 and was transmitted to the Senate by the letter reference EOP/CMB 26.